everyone's, hope you're well, everyone's. Today I was inspired by a video that Charlotte Holcroft did, and it is dewy versus matte. So she did, I'll link her video below, two sides of her face, one side all dewy products and the other side all matte, to see which one suits her best. And I thought this is a brilliant idea. So I decided to do the video as well, and I've gone with one side dewy. What's going on outside? Shit now. One side dewy, one side matte. And we'll see which one I prefer at the end. But if you'd like to see how I created this double look, then carry on watching. I'm going to do the glowy side this side and the matte side this side and see how it looks. So on the glowy side, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow Primer, which is an instant soft focus beauty glow primer. This is a sample I got, so I'm really excited to try that. It's quite glowy, and I'm just going to apply it with a brush, just so I'm not mixing. Oh my god, this smells lovely. I've always wanted to try this Wonder Glow. My god, I'm filming at like 4 in the afternoon and it's dark, so I'm hoping the light isn't compromised. Okay, then for the matte side, I'm going to go in with Benefit's Porefessional. I love this primer. It just mattifies, it hides pores. I'm going to put it on a different brush, and I'm just going to put that on this side of the face. Okay. So for foundation, on the glowy side, I'm going to go in with L'Oreal True Match, and I'm just going to mix 2 shades. I've got the number 3 and the number 1. I'm going to use the same brush I used with the primer, and I'm just going to paint that on. Got to remember to stay on this side of the face. That's the L'Oreal True Match. Then on the other side, I'm going to use Double Wear, and I'm going to use the same brush that I used with my Porefessional primer. My Double Wear is, I've done really well with this, it's nearly finished, and I've got the shade 2W Dawn. Look, it's not even coming out. Ooh. And I'm going to put that on the other side. I'm not really good at making sure I get half of the face, like left the middle. Okay. Dewy side, matte side. Now for concealer. So on the dewy side, I haven't really got that much dewy concealer stuff, so I'm just going to use my Becca, what is this called? Undereye Brightener. I'm just going to use that under the eye, so we get a good effect, and then we can see how it looks. And then I'm going to go in with the Well Rested by bareMinerals. I haven't used this in a while. Not really a concealer this, but for the sake of this situation. How funny is this, hey? So I'm going to pat that in under the eye, and as a base on the eyelid. Okay, and then on the matte side, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. My God, this is the best concealer of life. It's obviously going to be a different colour. It's a completely different colour to bareMinerals, but what can we do? Get it all over the eyelid. I'd never have had like highlighting concealers. Okay, concealer on. And so on the illuminating side, I'm going to set with the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, which has got a lovely light reflective finish to it. On the matte side, we're going to use the Kat Von D, and I'm going to take this white shade and I'm going to flip my brush around and get the powder on this side. Oh, I forgot how much I love this, honestly. It's amazing. Then I'm going to set the glowy side with the BlondeTeaParty pressed base. This is an amazing pressed powder, oh my gosh. So I'm just going to set with that. And then on the other side, the matte side, I'm going to set with Vichy Dermablend High Coverage Mattifying Powder. Again, another foundation I just love. It's a powder foundation and it is flipping gorgeous. Okay, so there's the bases done. Dewy or glowy and matte. Bronzer. On the glowy side, I'm going to use my Ambient Lighting Bronzer. I love this bronzer. This is in light bronze. And then on the mattifying side, the matte side, I'm going to use, this is the MUA Bronze Perfection Sunset Tan. You get this in Superdrug. I used to love this stuff. Okay. To blusher, on the glow side, I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, and I'm just going to swirl this brush in. Look at that glow. Oh my God. Such a nice blush. And then on the other side, I'm going to go in with Dallas, which is a matte blush. I am so excited to see the overall finish of this and see which side you like best. So for highlight on the glowy side, I'm going to use MAC Soft and Gentle. Can't believe I'm actually remembering. And then I haven't got a matte highlighter. Is there such a thing as a matte highlighter? So I'm just going to use my Kat Von D, and I'm going to use that white shade. Or should I use the peachy shade? No, I'll just use the white shade. I haven't got. Oh look, that does highlight, but very subtle. You got sheen, no sheen. Okay, so for eyes, I've gone for the Naked Heat and the Mini Naked Heat because they're obviously exactly the same. One's matte and one's got a few shimmers. That way I can get a real good idea about what I'm doing. Just checking that my phone is still on. Okay, so glowy side. What should we do now with the glowy sides? Okay, I'm going to take Lumiere, which is this shimmery shade, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. I wonder if I should do it bit by bit. So this is Lumiere over the lid, which is a really shimmery shade. Maybe I'll do it like this, okay? So Lumiere over the lid, which is really shimmery. Then on the matte side, the next thing that's closest to Lumiere is probably this shade called Wild Thing. So I'm going to take that and put that over the lid. Ooh, pigmented. Oh God, that's pigmented, isn't it? Oh my good God. Oh, I love Urban Decay shadows. This is going to be a bit slapdash because obviously I'm filming on my phone and I'm looking in a mirror which is like a million miles away over there. Okay, so let's do a crease colour now. For the crease colour on the shiny shade, shiny side, can I even speak? I'm going to go with Dirty Talk, which is that shade there. Oh my gosh, who puts a shimmer in the crease? I think lots of people do actually. And I'm just gonna put that in the crease. Oh my God, I'm looking like a maniac. Let's just blend it out, guys. Then on the matte side, I'm going to go in with Heist. I'm going to do this. I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked Basics for the highlight and shimmer, highlight and inner corner. So for the shimmer side, I'm going to take Blow, which is just really sort of, yeah, my eyebrows are like, need doing, like, oh my God, but I'm trying to grow them out a bit because last time she went a bit too happy with them. Okay, gonna put that in the corner highlight there. Then I'm gonna take Game Changer for the matte side. Okay, attempt to do eyeliner. So for the shimmery side, I'm going to take this really dark one called Ember as my eyeliner. This should be interesting. And for the matte side, I'm going to go in with the darkest shade in here called Strike. I haven't got shiny and non-shiny mascara, so I'm just going to go and put normal mascara on both lashes and also eyebrows. I don't have a shiny brow, I just have normal brows, so I'm just going to do them normally. For lips, I'm going to do Niki's Nude on this side, which is kind of creamy. And then on the matte side, I'm going to do Kind of Sexy. I mean, these are the only two that I could think of that are similar. It's really hard doing just one side of your lip. These are so similar, but anyway. So there we have it, the finished look. We've got dewy and matte. So dewy, you've got a lot of highlight, a lot of sheen, and you've got sheen on the eyes, sheen on the lips, and, you know, glow. I do think it brings up a lot of texture if you've got, you know, complicated skin, you know, as you do. And this is the matte side. So matte skin, matte blush, matte eye, matte lip. I wonder if I do that. Matte side, dewy side. What side do you like best? What side do you think looks best? Because this is quite interesting, because I've actually been thinking about this a couple of days. Like, you know, do I look better with a glowy makeup or a matte? And I'm actually thinking I like matte, because it looks a lot smoother. It doesn't accentuate any lumps and bumps. My under eyes look smoother. I don't look like a complete grease ball. Yeah, I don't know. What do you think? Let me know what you think, which side you like best. Yeah, I just thought I'd give this a go. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you prefer yourselves. Do you like to go out with a glowy look, or do you prefer a more matte look? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.